Hello, hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and welcome back to my channel. If you stopped by earlier today for my Saturday showcase, you know that it is a Kraftin Kimmie release week, which means I have a separate video sharing all the new Kraftin Kimmie goodies. And I absolutely adore everything this month so much. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to show you all the good new products first. Have that so you can see. First up, there's a new stencil called Breezy Background. Super fun, like shapes and just to use as backgrounds, and I love them. I think that this will be a very well used stencil. Next up is Paw Prints 2. There was already a Paw Prints stencil in the shop, but due to changing manufacturers, that one is retired, so we have a new one, just as adorable, and another one that I'm sure will be well loved. Then we have the stamp sets. First up, we had No Place Like Home. Those are just my masks. You can see it's already well loved because it is super fun. Welcome home, no place like home. Got some fun houses, some trees, a birdhouse, light post. I love this one. Then we have Penguin Paradise. How cute are those penguins? I mean, come on. The cuteness just kills me. Surfing by to say hi and let's chill. And then last but not least for stamp sets, we have the adorable Puppy Power. You left a paw print on my heart. It's your birthday. Let's potty. Like party just for you. When life gets rough, I'll be by your side. You're my favorite human. Just because I love you or I care. And the best treat of all is you. And then some little accessory stamps, a little bone with a dish, a ball, a bone, a bow, a bunny. Words are hard again today. Adorable, adorable set. And then there is an add-on bundle. You get a full paper pad. I don't remember who it's by. Everything will be linked in the description box so you can go check it out. As a design team member, I just get a little portion of it, but it is super fun, summery paper. And then you get some magnets. I haven't used mine yet. They're little itty bitty. Lots of fun uses for them. I just haven't got to it yet. And then you get this Dilutions Shimmer Spray in, what's it called? Oh, I don't remember the name. So sorry. Anyways, it'll be linked below as to the name of it. I think it says on, let's see. I think it was like sand or something like that. Anyways, it comes out really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. It's a very, very pretty shimmer. I also haven't used it on my projects yet, but lots of plans to do that. And then the new ink color is Glorious Grapefruit. It's a very pretty orangey color. On to what I have created. First, I made this mini slimline using those the No Place Like Home stamp set, and I paper pieced all the little houses, and I used that breezy background stencil, and I dropped an ink cube, so I added some clouds to cover that up. It is got some dimension to it, and then I just add some paper on the inside. But those houses are just so much fun. Next up, I used a stamp set that was released last month, the You've Been Framed, for these little like Polaroids, and then I put the penguins from Penguin Paradise in there. I did add some glossy accents on each of them so that it made it cohesive and kind of fun. That paper is from the add-on bundle. And then Making Memories, I thought it was a fun like postcard, like see what we're doing on vacation kind of thing. I love how it turned out. And then just some pattern paper on the inside. But those penguins are adorable. And then my last, oh no, not my last card. And then this one shows that Puppy Power. It also shows the new ink color and that Paw Prints 2 stencil back there. I paired it with some gingham and actually I remembered to get some ribbon out. When life gets rough, I'll be by your side. So adorable. And there's the inside. Love it, love it, love it. And then a little sneak peek of my card that will be going up tomorrow. I used that No Place Like Home again. I made a little scene. I did put some glossy accents on the windows. It says welcome home. And I did stamp that on the inside. So there's all of my cards from the Kraftin Kimmie release this week, as well as the new products. Again, everything is linked in the description box below. Head on over to the shop and pick up these new goodies. They are all available now. And until my next video, go do something crafty, go do some crafty shopping. Just have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you like what you see, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and I'd appreciate if you'd subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll see you soon. Thank you.